got in the menu sad too.
Look at him over there.
I've never seen anything like it. It's 8 o'clock.
Oh, guess what,
But I
Marty?
still ain't never seen a menu like this.
Somebody returned my stuff that they stole off my door.
What is still off your door? The mailbox?
Decorations.
I wonder
He
who
was so
did that.
He was so happy he didn't know what to do.
But you know what, Marley? I figured when it come up missing, who did it?
You know, I felt real bad for you this morning when I looked up and your mailbox was on the ceiling.
I said, dang, Mom, you can't go get that.
It was on the ceiling.
I said,
That's good.
I wonder who did that.
Oh, Kayla Ray.
Well, it wasn't here.
Could you reach it?
Petty. Marlene is petty.
Thank you.
I got a feeling.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This actually does say something.
I think right there on the side. I guess she's already
It's good for you.
Jubilee family, it is time to say goodbye.
No, don't sing that song. Don't sing that
But
song.
before
That's not bad, babe.
Cozumel on fire. Wonder what's burning over there. See it? See it? Something over there is burning. Something's on fire. Something's on fire in Cozumel. Cozumel on fire.
You told me to.
Show off. Show off. Show off. I'm waiting for him to drop it in his lap. I'm waiting for him to learn to use this. Oh, she got it. Yay!
That is good.
She did it one time, Marty. She did it one time.
That's good, ain't it?
I believe I will drink your wine.
Oh, no. He cut his head off.
Okay. And now I'll make the progress first. Go ahead. There we go. Baby, you'll keep on burning. Strawberry keep on burning. Rolling, 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 rolling down the river. I like it when you're walking music, my boy. Little funky music, right? Little funky music, my boy. Lay down the boogie, play the funky music. My girl, you like that? Y'all go eat my fried rice. DMX right there. So here's the lady on.
Ships here in port. MSC, Carnival, Tour Caribbean, and that may be all. We'll know until we get around there with the sea. There's about 4 ships.
Get back on.
Like that boy. I'll take a video. Watch that iguana reach up there and grab it.
I think everyone just go. Just cut.
looking like.
You gotta get in when
Yeah,
you fit in.
yeah,
Just
that's what
go.
it's looking
Just
like.
gotta go.
Yeah. We'll be here all day.
Diamond Video.